This is Neeraj. He checked his weight in November and it was 70 kgs. By the time summers arrived, he checked his weight again in June and this time it was 63 kgs. Now, do we see a change in the weight? Yes, the weight decreased by 7 kgs, right? His friend Sheila, she bought some pencils for 20 rupees. A day later, she sold them for 25 rupees. Again, do we see a change in the price? Yes, the price increased by 5 rupees. So, whenever a certain value increases or decreases, we say that it has changed. Now, let us recall something that we have learned earlier, which is percentage. Percentage means out of 100. Let's say if you have a chocolate cut into 100 pieces and then you eat 25 out of those. So, the percentage of chocolate that you have eaten is 25%. You have eaten 25% of the chocolate, right? Let's take one more example. Let us say that you gave a test and you scored 18 out of 20 in the test. Now, what will be your marks percentage? It will be 18 divided by 20 into 100. We calculate percentage by multiplying it by 100, right? So, let's do it. 20 into 5 is 100, 18 into 5 is 90. So, you scored 90% in your test. Now, we know what is change and we know what is percentage. How about we combine these two? So, how will we find the percentage change? What is percentage change? Percentage change is like when something has changed and you want to know by how much percentage it has changed. Okay, so let's find this. Let us use the same example of the weight change that we just saw earlier. The weight in November is 70 kgs, the weight in June is 63 kgs, and the change in weight is 70 minus 63, that is 7 kgs. Now think about this. For initial weight of 70 kgs, the change in weight is 7. The weight initially was 70 and change was of 7 kgs. Now let's use the unitary method here. For initial weight of 1 kg, the change in weight would be 7 by 70, right? Since we need to find percentage change, that means out of 100. So for initial weight of 100 kgs, the change in weight would be 7 by 70 into 100. 7 into 10 is 70. So that is 100 by 10, which is 10 kgs. So for a weight of 100 kgs, the change is 10 kgs. That means the weight decreases by 10 kgs per 100 kgs. That is 10 by 100 or 10%. Now, we do not need to do this unitary method every time. We have a quick formula to find out the percentage change, which of course follows the same logic. So, percentage change is actually equal to the change in value upon original value into 100. And that's what we did, right? We used change in value, which was 7 upon original value, which was 70 into 100. That's what we did, right? And this is equal to 10%. So, the formula for percentage change is equal to change in value upon original value into 100. Let us take one more example. We have 1 kg of apples which costed 40 rupees, but over time their price changed from 40 to 42 rupees. Now, what is the change here? The change is of 2 rupees. I need to find this percentage of this price change. So, let's recall the formula. Percentage change is change in value upon original value into 100. The change here is of 2 rupees. Original value is 40 into 100. So, that becomes 200 divided by 40, which is 5%. So, the price has increased by 5%. Let us look into one last example. A girl runs a boutique and she would usually sell this bag for 500 rupees. But now she is giving a discount. We often see discounts in shopping malls and shops, right? So, after the discount, she is selling this bag for 400 rupees. Again, there is a change in the value of the price. The price has decreased by 100 rupees. Now, I need to find the discount percentage. You know the formula for percentage change, right? It is the change, which is 100 upon original value, which is 500 into 100. So these two zeros would cancel out with these two. It becomes 100 by 5, which is 20%. So we have received a discount of 20%. Now using this, can we generate a formula for discount percentage? Let's try. So discount percentage is equal to this change, which is nothing but the discount. Discount upon original price into 100. And that's the formula for discount percentage.